Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your RIA transfer status. Let's get into it. First, go to the RIA website. The first step is to get onto the main page where all the tools for tracking are kept. You need to be on the right side to start your search. Open your internet browser and go to the main RIA Money site. Look at the top of the page for the navigation bar where all the main buttons are. The website is the only place that has the real-time info on your cash. You have to start here so the computer can look into its files for you. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to find the specific tool that follows your money across the world. Next, find the track button. You need to find the specific tool that is made just for following your money's journey. Look at the top menu and click on the button that says Track a Transfer. Wait for the new page to load that has a big empty box in the middle. It takes you straight to the tracking tool without you having to sign in to your whole account. It ensures you can get your answers fast just by using the numbers on your receipt. This tool is built to show you the most recent update on your money's location. Next, enter your order number. Now you need to tell the computer which specific transfer you are looking for by using your secret order number. Find your receipt and type the order number or the PIN into the box. Type the numbers carefully so you don't make any mistakes, and then hit the search button. This number is like a fingerprint for your money. It tells the system exactly which pile of cash belongs to you. It is the key step to getting the right output and seeing if your money is still moving or if it has already arrived at the bank. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.